In the realm of human resources, recruitment and selection are pivotal processes, each serving a distinct yet interconnected purpose. Recruitment is the proactive process of attracting potential candidates. It's not limited to just advertising job vacancies, but involves a strategic understanding of the role, the company culture, and the characteristics of an ideal candidate. Effective recruitment utilizes various channels: job postings across diverse platforms, networking events, employee referral programs, and a strong presence on social media. A tech company, for instance, might harness LinkedIn or tech job boards to attract skilled developers, whereas a retail chain could find success through local job fairs or community bulletin boards. Selection, meanwhile, is the critical process of evaluating these candidates and determining who is the best fit for the job. This involves several stages, such as screening resumes, conducting different types of interviews, like phone, video, or in person, and implementing various testing methods. Tests might range from technical skill assessments to personality tests, depending on the job's requirements. For example, a marketing position might require a creative portfolio review, while a data analyst role could necessitate a rigorous quantitative test. In-depth interviews are a cornerstone of the selection process. This can take various forms, such as structured interviews with a set list of questions, or unstructured ones that are more conversational. Behavioral interviews, which ask candidates to describe past experiences and how they handled specific situations, are particularly effective in predicting future performance. The importance of a meticulous selection process is exemplified by companies like Google. Their approach involves multiple interview rounds, including peer interviews and practical assignments. This ensures that candidates are not only technically proficient, but also a cultural fit. But recruitment and selection don't operate in isolation. They are influenced by factors like the current labor market, legal considerations like equal employment opportunity laws, and the organization's diversity and inclusion goals. For instance, in a candidate-driven market, companies might need to be more proactive and creative in their recruitment efforts, like offering sign-on bonuses or flexible working conditions. Lastly, technology plays a significant role in modern recruitment and selection. Applicant tracking systems help manage applications efficiently, while AI-driven tools can assist in screening resumes and even conducting initial interviews.